People's Cable Group Company Limited is the developer, manufacturer, sales provider of wires and cables, established in 2007 and the headquarters located in number 5, Yongbing Road, Gongyi, China. The building area is 54,000 square meters. People's Cable has advanced production equipment and the improved detection system. We are dedicated to the production of high, medium, and low voltage wire and cable series. The main products are PVC building wires, PVC and XLPE, insulation power cables, rubber, mining and welding cables, ABC cable, bare conductors such as AAC, AAAC, ACSR. All our products produce with the standards of GB, IECBS, ASTM, NFAS, and ZS. We have attained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CCC, and CE certificates. Products have been exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and other countries. There are more than 100 varieties and more than 6,000 specifications of products such as wires and connecting wires for electrical equipment. 30 personnel with intermediate and senior professional titles participated in the formulation of 7 local standards and a professional R&D team. Through many years of ongoing endeavors, we have gained cooperation and widespread compliments from clients all over the world because of our superior quality, reasonable price, and attentive services. We look forward to your contact and visit.